Hey there, fellow digital nomads and adventure seekers. Welcome back to Traveler's Toolkit, where we unlock the secrets to an epic nomadic lifestyle. If you loved part 1 of our journey, get ready to take it up a notch, because today we're diving deep into 25 more mind-blowing hacks that will revolutionize your digital nomad journey in 2024. From staying powered up in remote locations to outsmarting the challenges of travel, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's embark on this incredible adventure together. Hack 1. Unleashing the power. Imagine this. You're working from a remote paradise, but your laptop is about to die. Fear not, digital nomads. Our first hack is all about staying powered up in even the most remote locations. Say hello to the ultimate power backup, a portable solar charger. With this game-changing gadget, you can harness the sun's energy and keep your devices charged no matter where your nomadic journey takes you. Hack 2. Zone out the noise. Now, picture this. You're sitting in a bustling cafe, trying to focus on your work, but distractions are everywhere. Introducing your secret weapon, noise-cancelling headphones. These bad boys will transport you to a world of tranquility, allowing you to zone out the chaos and dive deep into your tasks. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to productivity. Hack 3. Your portable library. Are you a book lover but can't carry your entire library with you? Fear not, bookworms. We've got the perfect solution: ebook subscriptions. With just a few taps, you can access thousands of books right on your device, allowing you to indulge in your reading passion without weighing down your bag. The world is your library, and the possibilities are endless. Hack 4. Freedom to explore. When you arrive in a new destination, who wants to be weighed down by heavy luggage? Not you, my fellow nomads. That's why we recommend investing in a packable day pack. This lightweight gem gives you the freedom to explore hands-free once you reach your new spot. Simply leave your main luggage behind and embark on your adventures with ease. Hack 5. Smooth sailing through security. Let's face it, airport security can be a hassle. But fear not, my fellow jet-setters. We've got a hack that will keep you breezing through those security lines. Say hello to TSA PreCheck. By signing up for this service, you'll enjoy expedited screening, leaving you with more time to relax and prepare for your next adventure. Hack 6. No more baggage surprises. Have you ever faced the dreaded overweight bag fees at the airport? It's time to say goodbye to those extra charges. Our next hack is a game changer, a portable digital luggage scale. With this nifty gadget, you can weigh your luggage before heading to the airport, ensuring you never have to pay those hefty fees again. Travel lighter, save money. Hack 7. Safeguard your data. In this digital age, protecting your personal data is essential. That's why we've got a hack that will keep your information safe from digital skimmers. Introducing RFID blocking gear. With RFID blocking wallets, passport covers, and pouches, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that your data is secure. Stay one step ahead of potential threats. Hack 8. Stay hydrated, stay healthy. Hydration is key to staying healthy and energized on your nomadic journey. That's why we've got a hack that will keep you refreshed wherever you go. Introducing the Collapsible reusable water bottle. This compact and eco-friendly gem allows you to stay hydrated on the go without taking up precious space. Stay quenched, stay vibrant. Hack 9. Clean water anywhere. Access to clean water is crucial to your well-being. But what if you find yourself in a place where tap water is questionable? Fear not, intrepid nomads. We've got a hack that will keep you hydrated and healthy no matter where you roam. Say hello to the portable water filter. With this compact device, you can transform even the murkiest water into pure refreshment. Stay safe, stay hydrated. Hack 10. Connect anywhere. As digital nomads, staying connected is vital. But what if you find yourself in a remote area with no Wi-Fi? Don't worry, fellow adventurers. We've got a hack that will keep you connected, no matter how off the beaten path you go. Introducing the satellite hotspot. With this cutting-edge technology, you can access the internet from the most remote corners of the world. Stay connected, stay in control.
Collapsible water bottle. Stay hydrated on the go with a collapsible reusable water bottle that packs down super compact. 12. Compact travel umbrella. And toss a quality compact travel umbrella in your bag to stay dry during unexpected showers. 13. Money belt pouch. Better yet, carry valuables and emergency cash discreetly in a money belt or hidden travel pouch. 14. Digital locks. And secure your luggage from potential theft using digitally coded locks and lock boxes. With those anti-theft tips in your back pocket, let's talk about a few clever ways to protect your health and simply travel better. 15. In-flight amenity kit. An in-flight amenity kit stocked with earplugs, eye masks, inflatable pillows is a long-haul lifesaver. 16. Travel first aid kit. Create your own custom first aid kit with preventative meds and basic medical supplies. 17. White noise app. A white noise app cancels out ambient noises, helping you sleep anywhere. 18. Jet lag app. And be sure to download apps and tools to help adjust your sleep cycle and minimize jet lag. 19. Digital document backups. Always keep cloud backups of your passport, IDs, and other travel docs to easily get them replaced. All right, power users, we've got just a few pro tips left to really accelerate your digital nomad adventures. 20. Digital subscription bundle. Look into subscription bundles offering discounted pricing for must-have digital nomad apps and tools. Smart packing is only half the battle, though. What about connectivity on the road? 21. Mobile hotspot maps. And mobile hotspot map apps help you locate Wi-Fi for getting work done from cafes, airports, and more. 22. Digital business cards. Digital business cards you can share with a tap or text are perfect for networking on the road. 23. Worldwide power adapter. Invest in a heavy-duty, worldwide travel power adapter to stay juiced up on every continent. 24. Backup charging accessories. Always pack backup portable chargers, cables, and adapters so useless devices never ruin your flow. 25. Extra phone battery. Take it even further by grabbing extra rechargeable phone battery packs for emergencies. And there you have it, my fellow nomads. 25 more incredible hacks to supercharge your digital nomad journey. But remember, it's not just about the hacks. It's about embracing the freedom, the adventure, and the endless possibilities that come with living a nomadic lifestyle. So, if you're ready to take your digital nomad game to the next level, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your fellow nomads, and most importantly, check the links in the description, subscribe to our channel and Patreon for more epic travel hacks and adventures. Until next time, my fellow nomads, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep living your best life on the road. This has been Traveler's Toolkit, your ultimate guide to conquering the world as a digital nomad. Safe travels, and see you in the next chapter of our adventure.